Welcome to Pulse and Pick, your ultimate destination for honest and reliable product reviews. Are you looking for the top 5 best night vision dash cams in 2026? You are in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a review. This is your tech guide to smarter buying. Stay connected, stay updated, and stay tech smart with us. Thank you. Number 1. The Vantrue N4S 2.7K 3-channel dash cam is a powerful all-around solution for drivers who want complete protection on the road. Featuring 3 cameras, it records the front, cabin, and rear of your vehicle simultaneously, helping capture important details from every direction. The high-resolution front camera delivers clear footage, while the interior camera is ideal for rideshare drivers, families, and anyone wanting added security inside the vehicle. Its advanced night vision helps maintain visibility in low-light conditions, making nighttime driving safer and more secure. The dash cam also includes useful features such as loop recording, a G-sensor for detecting impacts, and parking monitoring for added protection when your car is unattended. With wide-angle coverage and reliable video recording, the Vantrue N4S helps document accidents, unexpected events, and everyday journeys. Compact and easy to install, this versatile 3-channel dash cam is an excellent choice for drivers seeking dependable, comprehensive vehicle security. Number 2. The COOAU D30S 4K dash cam is a reliable choice for drivers who want clearer video recording and added protection on the road. Designed to capture important driving moments in high resolution, this dash cam helps provide detailed footage of vehicles, road signs, and unexpected incidents. Its wide-angle coverage allows you to monitor more of the road, while continuous loop recording automatically overwrites older files when storage becomes full. The built-in G-sensor can detect sudden impacts and help protect important recordings from being overwritten. With features designed for both daytime and nighttime driving, the COOAU D30S offers dependable recording in different lighting conditions. Its compact design makes it easy to install without blocking your view. Whether you want extra security for daily commuting, long road trips, or parked vehicle monitoring, the COOAU D30S 4K dash cam delivers convenient, high-quality recording and greater peace of mind every time you drive. Number 3. The iiwey N6 360 degrees dash cam is a powerful 4-channel car camera system designed to provide complete protection on the road and while parked. With multiple cameras covering the front, rear, interior, and surrounding areas, it helps capture important details from nearly every direction. The 360-degree coverage is ideal for daily driving, rideshare use, family vehicles, and added security. High-quality video recording helps document accidents, unexpected events, and road conditions with greater clarity. Features such as night vision improve visibility in low-light environments, while loop recording continuously saves footage by overwriting older files when storage becomes full. The dash cam can also offer parking monitoring for extra peace of mind when your vehicle is unattended. Its wide-angle coverage reduces blind spots and provides a more complete view than traditional single-camera dash cams. The iiwey N6 is a practical choice for drivers who want enhanced safety, security, and reliable video evidence. Number 4. The 70mm 4K dashcam front and rear is a reliable solution for drivers who want enhanced security and clear video evidence on the road. Its high-resolution 4K front camera captures detailed footage, helping record important details such as vehicles, road conditions, and license plates. The rear camera adds extra coverage, giving you a more complete view of what happens around your vehicle. With wide-angle recording, the dash cam helps reduce blind spots and captures more of the driving environment. Features such as loop recording allow continuous operation by automatically replacing older files when storage becomes full. The built-in parking surveillance function can also provide additional protection when your vehicle is parked. Easy to install and convenient to use, this front and rear dash cam is suitable for daily commuting, long road trips, and added peace of mind. It offers dependable recording, strong image quality, and valuable protection for modern drivers. Number 5. The PAPAGO G680 channel dash cam is a comprehensive vehicle security solution designed to provide wide coverage and reliable recording for everyday driving. With 4 cameras capturing multiple angles around your vehicle, it helps monitor the front, rear, cabin, and additional surroundings, giving drivers greater awareness and peace of mind. The system is ideal for recording road incidents, unexpected events, parking situations, and activity inside the vehicle. High-quality video recording helps preserve important details, while continuous loop recording automatically replaces older footage when storage becomes full. Its compact design allows for convenient installation without taking up excessive space inside the car. The G680 is especially useful for families, rideshare drivers, commercial vehicles, and anyone who wants enhanced protection on the road. By providing multi-angle recording in a single system, the PAPAGO G684 channel dash cam offers a practical way to document every journey and help keep important video evidence available when needed.